Cracking grout or tile after installing a bathroom floor usually comes from movement that the installation did not accommodate. Tile moves when the substrate shifts, when materials expand and contract, or when loads create flex that exceeds the brittle limits of the adhesive or grout. Start by preparing the subfloor so it is rigid, flat, and clean. For wooden joists, ensure deflection is less than 1/22 of an inch over a 12-inch span, or use a stiffening layer like exterior-grade plywood to meet that requirement. Install a proper cement backer board or uncoupling membrane over wood subfloors according to manufacturer instructions. Screw or fasten fasteners at the recommended spacing, and tape and seal any joints to prevent movement and moisture intrusion. Always leave perimeter and fixture movement gaps equal to the recommended width for the tile size so tiles can expand without stressing grout lines, and fill those gaps with a flexible silicone or polyurethane sealant rather than grout. Mix and apply thinset mortar with the trowel notch size matched to the tile back, and use the solid bed method for large format tiles to avoid voids that lead to point loading. Perform a backside buttering technique on tiles larger than 12 inches when required. Choose grout by joint width and movement expectations. Use a cementitious grout for narrow joints, a polymer modified or epoxy grout for high moisture and movement areas, and never use grout in movement joints, which must remain flexible. Common mistakes include skipping subfloor inspection and assuming the existing floor is adequate, which leads to flex and eventual cracking. Fix this by measuring deflection, adding stiffening layers, or installing a proper underlayment before tiling. Another frequent issue is using the wrong adhesive or not achieving full coverage, which causes hollow spots and concentrated stress. Remedy that by selecting thinset rated for the tile type and size, using correct trowel notches, and back buttering large tiles to reach a full mortar bed. A third mistake is filling movement or perimeter joints with cementitious grout so the joint cannot compress. Instead, keep movement joints ungrouted and seal them with a compatible flexible sealant, and plan movement joint locations where they will not be covered by rigid fixtures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse profiles, portfolios, and project discussions so they can evaluate who to hire for tile and subfloor work. We also connect contractors with homeowners seeking tiling. Plus, we host a discussion community where both sides can ask questions, share tips, and discuss real project experiences.